Hey guys, I want to take a quick sec to show my fridge here. This has actually been my personal fridge for going on 2 years now. It works absolutely great, no issues with it whatsoever. I'm getting ready to get in there and scrub it down, deep clean the inside, outside, excellent shape. Just a double door here, Whirlpool. I want to show you that it is in fact cooling like it's supposed to. We got -2 there in the freezer. Sitting about 40. And I have been kind of opening these and closing these, pulling everything out of it. So I'm gonna get in there and deep clean it, but I always do the video to show everything works. So I wanted you to know that it is in fact cooling like it's supposed to. No issues with it whatsoever. Excellent shape, plenty of room in there on them. So I'll get it cleaned out and put the pictures up. That way you know it works and know it looks real good. So if you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, appreciate you watching this video. Thanks.